Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina. Today's video, I am going to be unboxing the Jane's Agenda February subscription box with you. All right, so now her subscription boxes do come in various sizes. When you subscribe to her box, you can choose whatever size you want. And the size that I get is for the Classic Happy Planner. So that is a disc-bound system that I use, and it has 9 discs in there. And then her subscription boxes tend to be very seasonal. So I'm really excited to see what's in here because February has Valentine's Day, so let's see what she did. I'm gonna open this up, and if you've not seen these before, her boxes are really, really cute with this hello on the inside cover here. I love that. And then of course it has her branding on there, that teal flower with that peachy pink. I really like that. All right, so now let's see what we have in here. Let's see what she's got, because even though they're very seasonal, but not necessarily like very holiday-ish, if that makes any sense. So, oh my gosh, look at how pretty. I love this. Oh my goodness, the paper's so pretty. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at all the pretty goodies. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to scoop everything out, and then I'm going to go through them in order. She usually has a card in here that gives like a tour of what's in the box. All right, so I'm gonna move this out of the way and I'll be right back. All right, so I found the February tour card in the box, and it's so pretty with this gradient pink on here. I really like that. And there are 13 items in here. So the first item is a weekly self-care log inserts. And I'm gonna just put the card to the side here. And those are right here. And I'm gonna just go ahead and open these up. Look at how pretty that is. I love that with like the image and then the flower on there. All right, and then on the side here, it says weekly self-care log, and then an area to write the month. So let's open this up and see what is all in here. All right, so we've got week of, and we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then we have a section here for eat well with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then a snack. Be active, and then a heart. So this is kind of like whatever you want to put in this particular section. And then we've got the same thing over here. There's a quote at the top, and then healthy habits. So you can create your own little habit tracker down here. I love that. So let's see what we've got here. Week of, and different quotes on the top. So there's a quote for each one. Okay, so there's, wow, okay, so there's 1 and 2, and looks like 3 months worth. And then on the back of the pack is just blank. All right, so those are really pretty. I really like that. It's just very simple, but yet really just very pretty. All right, so now the next item is a daily half-page tip-ins. And here we've got the packaging right here. It's got her nice little like sticker on here, which I like to cut them because they're just a little bit on the thick side. All right, so let's take a look. First of all, this is a really like nice stack of these. And these are today, and they are like timed, like there's numbers on the side here, so you can put whatever you need to, like AM or PM. And I like that. So it's got like the 5 o'clock hour, and then there's a line in there. So like for the half hour type of thing, if you want to like really schedule out your day, like if you're having a really busy day and you really need to like just kind of put down what's going on during those particular hours. This is really nice because it's a nice half sheet, and then you could just put that right into your like weekly. And then on the back side, there is a list with little check boxes already there, and then a dot grid section here for notes. And I love the half page. Oh my goodness, so cute. All right, now we have another half page, and this one's called Reversible Notes, dot grid half page Tippins. All right, so here we go. We've got the half pages. I love these. I love the checklist. And then on the back side is a dot grid. Oh my gosh, such a functional, useful. I love those half pages. It's like, I feel like I can never get enough of them. And this is like a nice, generous stack. I do have half sheets, and I'm always afraid to use them because I don't want to run out. So this is going to last me for a while. I love that. Oh my goodness. All right, so now we're on to number 4, which is a zip up accessories pen bag. Pen bag. Okay, so, oh, this is cute. Oh, look at the color is really pretty, by the way. I like that. It's just a cute little pouchy. Oh, I like that because it's like that nylon-y waterproof kind of on the outside, but then it's got like that faux leather feel on the inside. Oh, and look at how it opens up, and I like that it's like wide at the bottom, so if you like whatever you put in there, it'll like stand up. Really cute. And I like that. That's cute. And then you got the tabs on the side so you can hold it. Oh, I like that. Really cute. Very well thought out. All right, now we are on to number 5, a heart paper clip. And I sort of got a little sneak peek of this. Where are you? Here it is. Oh my goodness. Oh God, this is so cute. So February is Heart Disease Awareness Month. Please take care of your ticker. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. All right, so here's the clip, and that is really cute. And I'm just gonna reverse it so that we could kind of see how that looks. That's really cute. You always get like these really cute little paper clips in her sub boxes, and they're always just these interesting shapes. I just love that. And I really like the little cards that they come on, because these are just great little pocket cards, or you know, if you want to just put them in your February and just kind of clip it there, and there you go, right? It's really cute. All right, so now I'm on to the pink pen clip. I love these. These are so awesome. And I love the pink. And look at how cute that is. Now these are awesome because you can clip this onto your planner. Whoops, I got it caught. You clip it onto your planner, and see how it's got like this little loop that pops up, and then you just slide your pen like right in there. And then again, I love the little card because you can always use these for like pocket cards or just decorative elements in your planner, or that would be actually a great thing to clip on your planner like that. And then that way the clip itself doesn't damage anything, like your cover. That sort of is almost like a protectant. So I kind of like that. Ooh, now this next thing is a rose quartz necklace. So pretty. Look at how pretty. Sorry, I flipped it over first. Oh, look at it. It's got a little washi on here. Keep moving all that stuff. Oh, that's pretty. Rose quartz pendant, known for increasing feelings of self-worth, self-esteem, and empathy. Oh, I like that. That's really pretty. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right, so now we are on to decorative cardstock dashboard set of 2. And it's going to be grouped in this packaging. Oh my gosh. I am ogling. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful this is gorgeous. These are gorgeous, and they're usually double-sided. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cute. How cute is that? I love how subtle it is. It's, you know, got that little dash of Valentine theme in here, but it's not like too overdone. Oh my gosh, and these peonies, I love peonies. They're so beautiful, and I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, so they're double-sided, but they're different patterns on each side, so you can, you know, either you know, put them in like this, like if you want to layer underneath a clear cover, which is what I love to do, and you have options. So that could be like layered underneath, and then you'd open it up and you'd see that. Oh my goodness, I don't know. I think, oh, I love this. I love this. So pretty. All right, and then the next item is a vellum quote, and I love these. I love her vellum dashboards, the quality of them. It's like, it's got a little bit of a thicker feel to it, which I really, really like that. And this one says, "Hey babe, the sun does not apologize for being too bright, and the rain never says sorry for falling. It's about the balance." Ooh, I like that. And look at how beautiful, look at how beautiful that looks layered on there. Oh my gosh, let's see what it looks like with the other print. Ooh. Ooh, and look at how it's just like strategically placed with the hearts. It's like perfect. I think I like this side better. Oh my gosh, I don't know. But no, because, oh my gosh, so many choices. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Love it. All right, so now we're on to the number 10 item, Money Loves Me wallet card. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Ooh, this is cute. All right, so this one is a little wallet card. It says "Money Loves Me," and it's printed on vellum that is laminated into this nice little card. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Really pretty for decorative. Love it. All right, and then number 11 is this tour card, doubles as a quote card. So let's flip it over. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, love yourself first and everything else falls into line. You really have to love yourself to get anything done in this world. Lucille Ball, I love this. This is beautiful. I love Lucy. There you go. I love Lucy. And this is really pretty. I like the outline that is on here. It's like a desktop and some florals and just some really pretty like palettes here. Very, very pretty card. All right, let's flip it back over, and we've got two more items. We've got a La Vie en Rose quote card, and that is right here, and that's really pretty. I love those colors. Oh my goodness, so pretty. All right, and then the last thing we have here is a Daily Affirmations clear page binder, and we usually get one of these in her sub box, and this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I just wanted to take it out of the packaging for you. Look at how beautiful this is. I love the simplicity of it. Daily affirmations, and then it has that image of the lady's face with the rose here on the side. It says, "I am the creator of my hopes and dreams. Every day I am becoming my best self. I am attracting everything that I desire. I am powerful and capable of achieving great things. I do not worry about things that are out of my control." Oh my goodness, that is a great affirmation. "I have all the tools I need to go forward and live my best life." I love this. I love this. And I love the way that it is just clear with black color font and just a very simple deco element on here. It's really, really pretty. And this is great because I like things that are just really simple like this, especially if I really love them and they're just very neutral, and you can put them in your planner whenever. It doesn't matter like the season or anything like that. Okay, another absolutely stunning subscription box from Jane's Agenda. I love her subscription boxes. She is got very like seasonal boxes, and they're not holiday boxes. They are seasonal. And I just love the fact that she kind of like throws in that little Valentine vibe for February, but it's not just like completely all Valentine. And it's just got a little bit of everything in here for everyone. And I just really like that. And I think that that's why her boxes are so popular. Now, if you are interested in any of these items, I know that she does sell things separately if they are available. So if you want to check that out, I will have a link to her shop shop down below in my description. So head down there and you can follow that link and you will also get a discount. So make sure that you check it out and take advantage of the discount, of course. If you want to see how I've used a lot of the items that I've received from her subscription boxes, I do have my 2021 lineup video. I will link that down below and you can take a look at that, and just that way you get an idea of how I have actually been using her inserts. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you really enjoyed this unboxing. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit that like button for me. It really does help me out. Be sure that you're subscribed. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll be sure to receive all notifications when my videos do come out. I do release a video on Saturday evening consistently, but there are other videos that I will release throughout the week that you won't know about unless you go ahead and have your notifications on. So just a little bit of a tip for you to make sure you don't miss any of the content that I put out. I'm also on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan, so be sure to follow me there, and you will see things there you don't always see here on my YouTube. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I will see you next time. Bye.